Most of my chicken curry recipes have either tomatoes or yogurt, or a combination of both. Today I have come with a recipe where I haven't used any of those ingredients. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Before the oil turns hot, add a dry bay leaf, green cardamoms, a dry red chilli which is totally optional. You can discard the seeds of the dry red chilies. I also added a small cinnamon stick and a teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera. Once the seeds dance around with happiness, add sliced onions along with a pinch of salt. Add about 6 whole cloves of garlic and fry the onions on medium heat till golden brown. In the meantime, I will be making a ginger garlic paste. So as you can see, this recipe uses a lot of garlic. Add everything to your blender jar along with 1/3 of a cup of water, and you need a smooth paste like this. Back to the onions. I do not like browning the onions too much for this recipe. We are looking for this kind of a situation. Add the ginger garlic paste. I added about 1/4 of a cup of water to my blender jar to rinse out all that blender jar goodness. Then add the chicken and stir it on high heat till the color becomes pale. Next is spice time. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika for that beautiful color, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of cumin powder. If you do not get Kashmiri chili powder, then add regular chili powder. If you want to avoid the chili heat, then just add sweet paprika to get that red color. If you do not want to add chili powder, add fresh green chilies. I am giving you all the possible options, my friends, so please do whatever is good for you or your family. Next comes Mr. Potato, which is totally optional. My husband really gets very sad if he cannot find potatoes in a chicken curry like this, but you can leave it out. I added a cup of hot water, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. But sugar is optional. And I did add another half a cup of hot water. Finally, add 2 whole green chilies. Keeping them whole like this won't make the dish too hot. Then cover on low heat for 25 minutes or until the chicken gets tender. Please do not forget to give a stir in between. How do you know the chicken is done? When it starts to come off the bone like this, then it is definitely done. I like my chicken to be super soft, but that doesn't mean I'm toothless, but that's how I like it. You may not want it so soft like this, so I leave that up to you. Finally, I added chopped coriander and a sprinkle of lemon juice to bring in that freshness. Some of you asked for a chicken curry recipe without using tomatoes and yogurt. So here you go, and believe me my friends, I did not miss the tomatoes nor the yogurt after trying this recipe. Serve this with rice, paratha or naan. It is very easy to make and I'm sure you will like it. Please click that like button for me and I will see you next time. Bye bye.